There is one more type of classification for CNC machine that is based upon axis. Let's discuss about 2 and 3 axis CNC machines. 2 axis machines have movements along 2 axes as in lathe. The saddle moves longitudinally along the bed and cross slide moves transversely on the saddle. In 3 axis machine, there is a motion along the vertical direction of the table as in milling machines. In 3 axis machines, there will be one more axis perpendicular to the above 2 axes. By the simultaneous control of all the 3 axes, complex surfaces can be machined. A milling CNC is the best example of the same. The motion, or to be specific, the rotation of a spindle, can be found out by using right hand rule, which says that if you curl the fingers of your right hand around with the direction of the rotational motion, your thumb will point in the direction of rotation.